How to appear offline on WhatsApp even when online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can appear offline on WhatsApp even when you're online. So let's get started. First, open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, you can then go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, go to privacy. So here you'll find privacy, tap on it. After you're here, you should see your privacy settings. So right here, what you'll need to do is for your last seen and online, that is on the top, tap on it and select nobody. So after you've selected nobody, you can do that the same when on your who can see when I'm online as well. So you can just tap on same as last seen, and after you've done that, no one will be able to see if you're online or if you have when you were last seen on WhatsApp. So do that, and under status right here, you can select only share with option and include 0 contacts. You can just do that, and after you've done that, they won't be able to see your status updates as well. And after you've done that, now no one will be able to see if you are online. That means that they will basically think that you're offline. And even when you're online, they won't, be able to see if you're online or when you were last online. So that now you will appear offline on WhatsApp, even when you're online. And that's how easy it is to do so, guys. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And bye bye. Take care.